Look at that stability. That's about 25 feet right there. And we have winds coming from that direction. And you can see the Tello is not moving. It rivals some GPS drones that can't stay still. They have horrible compasses. Okay, everybody, we're out here with the Tello and the TP-Link Nano, okay, repeater. So we're going to test the range of the Tello right now. I'm also going to be using an app called Distance, and that's going to allow me to pinpoint the actual distance that the Tello flies. So let's jump right on into it.
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
No, it's Dash Inspector.
Okay, so we do have a little bit of a windy day here, but if you know anything about the Tello can definitely handle a little wind. So we have the Tello positioned here, and then we have the repeater here. Now, as you can see, I have to place it on the ground because I don't have anything to put it on that's up higher. So it is what it is, you guys. But we're gonna go forward nonetheless and see what kind of range we can get out of the Tello. So I'm actually going to launch the Tello. There it is in the air. Okay, and let's bring it back here so we can take a look at the RiseTech Tello. And look at that stability. And you can see how it's fighting the wind that's coming from this way. And like the thing has GPS, but it does not, of course. Okay, I'm just gonna push ahead, fly it out. And it is, looks like it is flying against that wind. So it is getting pushed about a little bit. Keep it down at this height. And let me make sure I have this in the fast. I did not, so it's in fast now. That should help. Yep, much better. So the Tello is flying. And I am getting a warning here on the screen about Wi-Fi. And I wonder if I were to lift this up myself, if that will improve things. And it did, as you can see. Big time. So yeah, you're definitely going to want to have the repeater above the ground. You don't want it on the ground. It's not going to do you any good. Which we already knew that, right? I'm gonna keep flying ahead. I can't really see where it is out there. Looks like I'm pretty close to a tree, which gives me an idea of where it is. But you can see what kind of signal we have out there. It's almost full bars on the Wi-Fi icon there. So you can see that. So whatever distance that is, you know, it's still got pretty strong signal at that distance. All right, I'm gonna bring it back. It's pretty far out there. I'm gonna bring it back, and I'm gonna actually fly it in that direction. I think I'll be able to see it better. There it is. And I'm actually just gonna hold the repeater up just like this. Okay, I'm going to raise the Tello up a little bit and see, point in that direction a little bit, hold up the repeater. You can see we have full bars. Just gonna fly it out. See how far we can get, you guys. Still full bars. And I imagine if I could get this repeater in between me and the Tello a little bit more and raised up, I get even more range. We're still going. Still going. Solid video feed. Just check where I am out there. Okay, now we're starting to break up a little bit. Starting to break up a little bit now. Okay, and I'm going to use that distance app. I'm going to rewatch the video here. I'm going to use that distance app to give you the exact distance. That app actually uses GPS positioning to allow you to measure distances. Okay, so whatever that is right now, I think that's about the limit. Okay, so we'll see what that is. It's all the way over to the sidewalk area over there, and I'm gonna push ahead just to see if we can get all the way over to the sidewalk. Yep, and we still have some bars there. They're yellow, but we still have some bars. We're still going, guys. Now see, I can't even see the Tello now, right? So this is further than I would ever actually fly this little drone. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back. But hey, it works, man. It's definitely working. The video feed is solid. I haven't seen any breakup whatsoever, and I have full control of the Tello. And I had it all the way out there, however far that was. And we're back. Guys, one thing to remember, put your phone in airplane mode. You're gonna want to make sure Bluetooth is off, okay? Because it can cause some interference with the Tello, and that's what will get you skipped or dropped frames, okay? It's Bluetooth. Bluetooth is going to interfere, so make sure you turn it off, and you shouldn't have that problem, okay?
Well, all right. I'd say we have success. Now, who's out there flying a Tello further than 427 feet? Who's doing that? Somebody let me know. I gotta know. 427 feet is plenty of distance and range for this little drone. You can't see it past 100 feet, so let me know what's going on. And as always, be good to somebody, be good to yourself. I'll see y'all in the next one. Later. Oh, I wanted to mention that I left you all with some photos that I snapped off. Now the Tello takes 5 megapixel photos, so these came out really good. Now I did do some tweaking in Lightroom, but I didn't have to do a whole lot. All right, y'all. See y'all later.
No, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too. Try to tell what you were